Hello and welcome. This is Carl. You're watching Carl Stuff. Today is Thursday, and once again it is sunny. I'm going to try to get this gable done today, and if I do, that is the rest of the siding, and then I just have some little things to do, like caulking some trim and maybe putting up couple pieces of trim, I think, if I can remember right. But anyhow, I'm gonna set up on a time lapse and enjoy. Alrighty, folks, it is done. Took me about 4 hours, a little bit longer than I had hoped, but it's been a really long time since I've done siding. So all that said and done, I just have a little bit of caulking to do. And yes, we love the pink on the trim on the front door so much that we painted the garage door pink. Love it. So thanks for watching. Bye.